go find some animals together. Come on. Look, there's a frog. How do frogs go? Ribbit, 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 ribbit. What other animals can we find? Look, it's an owl. How do owls go? Ooh, ooh.